Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, welcome back in. The home view for us tonight, looking a little active in a couple panels. Check out Lexington, getting some rain showers right now. Little thunderstorm trying to bubble up for us there, bringing down some of that water here for us, getting some of the grass a little bit greener, hopefully. Some spots have been very dry as of late. You can see some showers and storms in the distance in the Paris Cam. Richmond, nothing for you. Somerset, some clouds, but doesn't look like much rain happening. Let's go over to radar so we can get a better idea of what's going on and where. We've got a couple spotty showers there again up towards Cynthiana. A few more near Owenton, and of course across here in Lexington, across 64, we've got from Woodford County and Versailles over through downtown Lexington, and then moving out to the east a little bit down 64. A couple little spots of storms going on. Then we go down further south into east between Mount Vernon and London. We've got this nice looking thunderstorm which has been sitting in the same spot for a while now, bringing some heavy pockets of rain to those areas. All of it sprouting because of this here front that has dropped into the region and is slowly stalling out. It's not so much of a southward push with this as it is going to kind of just like ride to the northeast a little bit over the next 24 hours or so. And what that means is that some more spotty storms are going to be possible into tomorrow. Futurecast doing okay with trying to figure out what's where. We've got some storms north, some in Lexington, some down south. So the placement, not too bad. As we watch this develop into tonight, spotty showers continue through 10, 11 o'clock, and then things dry up a little bit with a few more bubble ups in eastern Kentucky early tomorrow. Partly cloudy probably again tomorrow, just like what we had today, and then things start to bubble up again for us later in the day and into the evening. A lot more hit or miss opportunities there once more overnight into Friday, even maybe a stray cell or two into southeastern Kentucky to start the day. Then we'll be on our way to another partly cloudy theme. Now, high temperatures today in most spots made it into the mid to upper 80s, a couple 90s on the mix. We had southeastern Kentucky again just holding on to some of that cooler air. With that, we've got those temperatures now that have since dropped off. As we roll into the overnight tonight, we bottom out in the 70s, right back to about where we are here today, tomorrow, with feels like temperatures in the low 90s, so very little change in that department. Bigger changes, though, in the heat come in for us this weekend with a high-pressure center, big ridge setting up and moving our direction. It's going to follow that front. It's going to help push that front out as well, so likely getting much drier into the weekend. That high pressure sets us up for a string of 90s again starting Friday, a bit more widespread. Then we're talking about low to mid-90s Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, probably even on Tuesday, cracking 90. What that means for us is that we're just going to add to our total. We've already had 26 days above 90 in 2025 in Lexington. We averaged 25. If we get 5 more there, it puts us well into the 30s, and we're blowing that average out of the water. 7-day forecast for you does hint at some relief as we go into later parts of next week, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, pulling us out of the 90s, but more storm chances in the mix.